This is the promo for Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the Haunted Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of January 2025. Anyway, right now the millimeter is at the rear of the alarm clock. Last time it was at the rear of the alarm clock, it was very low. But you can see right now that the electromagnetic energy is 48.8, 48.9 milligauss. That's pretty good. Hope everyone will check out my YouTube channel and also check out my book, Vampires Dead or Alive. Thank you. Have a good day.